Today's wine text is the Fiuza Babu Reserva Red 2016 vintage from Portugal. So when we're talking about finding value within the world of wine, I think especially on the European side, a lot of people think of Portugal as a place that really over-delivers for the price that you pay for. And I don't think this is an exception. I think buying wines in that kind of $9 to $12 to $15 mark really deliver more of that $20, $25 to $30 price point, especially when it comes to the native grapes and what they do so well. So this is actually a blend of two different grapes, Touriga Nacional, which pretty much everyone in the world can kind of agree that that is Portugal's best grape. That's their premier grape. Their Cabernet Sauvignon to Napa Valley, their Syrah to the Rhone Valley. These grapes are the best in Portugal. Touriga Nacional makes the most classic wines of that region. It's a fuller bodied red fruited style wine that has a lot of structure and a lot of flavor. But then they blend in a little bit of a grape called Alicante Bouschet, which is actually pretty similar to Grenache, and that's where a little bit more of that acidity and a little bit more of that drag of the terroir of the earth comes out, and that kind of savory finish in the wine really kind of finishes everything out in total. The price of this wine is insane. I think we're selling it at a crazy reasonable price. But for a table wine, this is a wine that you can open now and just be confident and enjoy it right away. I would decant it maybe 10-15 minutes before drinking it. But I think you can also lay it down for a couple years too. I don't think you want to save it for more than 5 years, but a couple years in the cellar would do it some justice. So a really cool wine from Portugal that you guys probably never had before. And if you have, you can kind of recognize the grapes that they're using and know that it's going to be a really high quality wine. So yeah, cool stuff. Bring it to you, and I'll talk to you soon.